Good morning. Friday, April 11th. Climbing this hill towards Uncle Johnny's. What destruction in this little canyon here. It's really bad. This whole valley here, completely destroyed. Oh. Like nothing left. Kind of looks like when Mount St. Helens erupted and all the trees laid down. That's what some of these parts look like here. There you go. Yeah. We were just down bottom there. It was just looked like a big destructive zone there. All right. My phone's being real weird. Been extremely slow. And just yesterday with all the rain, we couldn't get any of our phones to really work. Because we were wet, phones were wet, couldn't dry them off. Yeah, it's take a while. Within 20 years, this forest will grow back here, though. Just gonna take some time. So we're gonna show you Erwin, Tennessee here from this part of the mountain. You can see where that church is down there. That's where the bridge used to cross. Gone. The bridge is gone. Like a lot of other things that you can see along the highway where they tried to fill in and reshape the river again. The river goes back out this way. But it's a rager today. They're probably not running the ferry because the water's running too strong. So we're gonna make our way down to Uncle Johnny's, catch a ride into Erwin, the city of Erwin, and at that point, by around 5 o'clock-ish, my wife should be here to pick me up. That'll be fun. Look at this trail. And it's raining. I'll have to stop my phone and put it away, but just too, it's so nice looking in here in the rhododendron jungle. All right, guys, we found another lookout spot here, which is actually pretty cool. It's on a, because it's wet, we're not gonna do any stupid shit here, so. Yeah, so I'll stand here because you go down, if you fall and you hit that little ledge down there, you're not going to stay on that ledge. You're going to bounce and go all the way down. Your best bet is to, if you slipped off this thing, just go all the way to the bottom and it's done and over with at that point. So here is the Nolchucky River, what it looks like today.